let's take a look at the process to send a document for signatures using a cloud service. For this example, we'll use DocuSign. So from the Security tab, we'll select the DocuSign dropdown, Send via DocuSign, and as you can see, the DocuSign Send for Signatures workflow is opened right within the PowerPDF interface. First, we'll need to add recipients. So we'll add one, along with the email address that it'll go to. And from here, we can then drag the fields onto the form that we need to have filled out. So a signature field, a date signed, maybe initials as well. From there we can send it. It'll go to the recipient via email. It's just that easy.